And now we're getting a closer look at the extent of that damage and destruction. Local 10's Janine Stem with us live now with a video report with it all for us tonight. Janine.
And Calvin Laurie, as video comes in, we are seeing the damage. Our crews rode out the storm, and now we are seeing the aftermath.
Inside, man, the place is already torn up.
In New Providence, Bahamas, Matthew made a mess of homes. Storm surge sweeping this boat hundreds of feet inland.
And just beyond the restroom was a little kitchen.
And ripping down walls from this waterfront church.
The water tower over there.
In Great Exuma, the signature water tower got battered. But those famous swimming pigs.
And this fellow right here is nicknamed Squealy.
Our own Terrell Fournet can verify they are just fine. In Cuba, new aerial images show the flooding in Baracoa. Reports that more than 30 houses washed away. But nowhere saw more devastation than Haiti. Entire towns underwater, tens of thousands left without homes, the southern peninsula cut off from the rest of the country. By some accounts, more than 800 dead.
We're working now to provide them with food, water, medicines, and shelter.
The people have gone through a lot. They also are very resilient, but it's a very difficult time for them.
Aid is arriving there, and South Florida is stepping up. The Notre Dame de Haiti Church is collecting donations.
Please do whatever you can, and whatever you do will make a big difference.
Now, the Minister of Tourism in Haiti says the north side, where the resorts are, that is open for business. But that south end really sustained a lot of damage. There are a lot of ways you can help, though. And if you want to, just go to our website, local10.com. We have everything you need to know right on our homepage. Calvin Laurie.
Janine, thank you. We know so many people have extra supplies. They stocked up, and that is a great place to try to get them to.